Hey, I'm Scott at ediblemusic.com. I want to show you how to use the Klevgrand LUXE plugin. If you're a Novation user, you might have gotten a keyboard from Novation, it would be included with that. But you might also have just picked it up. It's a really fun plugin to use. It's a combination of a compressor and a saturator. And Klevgrand is a little bit cheeky and mysterious about how it's actually working, so let's see if we can figure it out. Usually I would start to apply compression and saturation after I've gotten a bit of a basic balance. So let's say that that's the stage that we're coming in to this song here. And we'll start out by looking at it on vocals. The plugin has a pretty straightforward interface. There's an amount or an intensity that you can adjust to how it's impacting the program element. There's an out trim that you can add if it's adding too much gain, and you can also adjust between luxe and finesse. The finesse will have a bit of a different kind of sound, a different kind of saturation than the luxe one will. Let's start on luxe and add it to this lead vocal here first. That's pretty nice. So here it is without. So a relatively raw vocal recording. And with Lux, it certainly does add some really nice compression on it. Let's solo the vocal and see what's going on.
Good to see through the rain. Did you remember me? Even though
so it's tightening up the body of the vocal, but the saturation is adding a bit of brightness as well.
Let me live in your room. Let me breathe in your air. Let me taste your perfume.
But neither of them are too much. They're not really having a harmful effect on the vocal at all. Now let's hear how it sounds with the other, with finesse on. So it sounds to me the finesse is a little bit, a little edgier compared to luxe.
I'll be waiting for you.
Let's hear how it sounds on drums as well. Here it is on drums. Just gonna crank it all the way. I kind of like finesse on there. What do you think? Yeah, it has a bit of edge to it. And that compression is really beefing up the kick drum as well. I'd like to see how it works on other instruments as well. I'm going to add it to some synthesizers. Both sound cool, but here, because the synths are sort of a supplementary program element, Luxe gives them greater presence among the rest of the mix balance. But man, I really like how it sounds on these vocals. Let's compare how they sound on and off. I've got 3 Luxe plugins on now on the drums, on those synths, which you might not be able to hear as clearly, which is okay. and on the vocals. So here it is without them. And with them. Really nice. Turn them off again as the vocals come back in, and then I'll turn them on. Pretty good. So again, if you've got a track that you're having a bit of trouble maybe fitting it into the mix balance, if you've done a little bit of EQ, you've done some balancing already, and it's time for your compression and your saturation, then give this a try and see how easily it can help to not only enable the program element to balance within the mix, but also to sort of emphasize it and bring it out a bit more as well. If you've got this plugin, try it out.